Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Minnie and I love sharing all things handbags, accessories, bath and body care, and a little extra. If you guys are new here and you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing, as well as sharing this video. Leave a nice comment down below and click the bell. That way you guys are always notified every time I upload a video. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back. All right, guys, so we are still in the month of July, and your girl picked up another SLG to add to her collection. Now, if you've been watching a few of my previous videos, you guys know that I have mentioned back in 2023 that I wanted to start collecting more SLGs for my handbag collection. So I picked up an item, guys, that I do not have in my collection. This is the very first of this item that I have, and I had to pick this up after I watched Mom Ambition's video. So Mom Ambition, I know you probably checking out this video, so I'm gonna have to put you in the enabler timeout corner, ma'am, because after I watched your video, I was like, girl, what you waiting on? Go ahead and order this item, and I did. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the video for the unboxing, and then I'll come back and share with you guys what I got. Alright guys, so it is none other than the Coach Nolita 19, y'all. So here it is, and I am so excited because this is my very first Coach Nolita in my collection. I have been using the Anne Klein's crossbodies as my Nolita. And if you've been watching my videos, then you know that's what I use in replace of the Nolita 19. But when Mom Ambition showed her Nolita 19 and 15 collection, they were so beautiful. And I was just like, I gotta get at least one, y'all. Just at least one. But now that I've seen it, y'all, I think this is gonna be a regular in my unboxings. Because y'all, do y'all see that? It is absolutely gorgeous. This is so cute. Now I picked this one up, guys. I did see that Coach had the one with the Sundays on the front, and it was cute, but I didn't know if I wanted that one in particular. So when I saw this one, it was really simple, and I thought, let me add this to my collection first. And I'm glad that I did, because I absolutely love it, and I love the color, and I really feel like this would go well with my Coach Dempsey, if I'm not mistaken. Now the blue on here may be a little bit lighter than my Dempsey, but I will compare it to that and see. But even if it is, it still doesn't matter. I'm glad that I have it in my collection, and I can still pair this with other bags. Now I know you guys have already seen the Nolitas a million and one times, so I won't, you know, go into too much details, but it does have Coach here written in the front in red. The hardware on here is in silver. It does come with the top handle that, as you can see, is detachable on one side. I've been seeing a lot of people be able to wear this on their shoulder as well too. I will try to put it on my shoulder real quick. Oh, it actually fits, y'all. That's so cute. All right, guys, so that is the Nolita 19. Now, I didn't get any of the other pieces. I did see a few other pieces, but I did not want them. But for some reason, I gravitated to this particular Nolita, and I am so glad that I have this in my collection now. I can finally say I have a Nolita 19 in my collection. So, and yes, the handles do go on the bottom as well too, so I may keep mine like this when I'm using it, unless I'm using it to just run out and do an errand or something of this sort. And it doesn't have any front pockets either, guys. So that is what the inside looks like. It pretty much has that same blue color as the outside of it, so I will definitely be able to see in here and grab my items when I need to. And I absolutely love that, y'all. So I am super excited to finally have a Nolita 19 in my collection. I think I may start collecting some Nolitas, y'all, because this is absolutely adorable. I don't know why I waited so long, but I am glad that I finally have one in my collection. So let me know down below in the comments, guys, if you have any Nolita 19 or 15s, and let me know like what color or print that you have yours in, or how many you have in your collection. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.